Hello, welcome back. Let's get started into video part 2. And in this video we'll go through how to draw the schematic on the KiCad. Here we go. Let's click the schematic, and here where we can use for drawing the circuit. The first thing we gonna find the component. You can look at the right side, or the symbol we gonna use it. With the symbol we can use it to find the component for building the circuit. From now we can click on here, or you can press A on your keyboard. Now I'm gonna click here, and then I want to find the chip that I want to design. So now I want to type AMS 11117. So it a lot of type here. So now I'm gonna use this chip, and then you can double click on here, or you can click OK. Move it to here. Let's click, and then let's click again. I want to add capacitor, so I'm just type capacitor, and it show me like this. So I'm gonna use this capacitor. So now I'm gonna move it here. Let's click again, and I want to add 4 capacitor, and here we go. Move it to here, move it to here. So I want to add ground, D, just type G and D, and you're gonna see like this, and click OK. Move it to here. So for why the circuit, you can click the symbol, or you can move your mouse on here, and then let's click. You can connect the circuit. So let's click again, and then move it to here, and let's click. Do the same. Let's click. Again. With the circuit I want, with the circuit we gonna have the together ground. So now I'm gonna move ground to here, and why it our circuit board has been done. So now I want to find the connector for EC to supply voltage and as input and output. Now click this symbol to find the type of connector, and then I want to add screw terminal. It is the type of connector too. I want to 1.2. Click OK, and then move it here. Another thing you want to rotate the component. Just click on it, and then press A on your keyboard. Press again. I do like this, and then I find another connector. As I want to use it's the same, and move it to here. And now I want to connect here, from here to here, and do like this. So now our board circuit has been done. So thank you guys.